Welcome back to Math 109 Plain Trigonometry. In this video, we're going to take a look at the sum and difference identities for the tangent function. So we're going to start with sum identity. So we'll look at the tangent of a plus b. Now we know for our quotient identities, so that's going to equal the sine of a plus b over the cosine of a plus b. And then, in the set of videos for last time, we looked at the sum identities for sine and cosine. So we can plug those in, so we get sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B over cosine A cosine B plus sine A, or I'm sorry, minus sine A sine B. And now the key step that we're going to do that might seem a little counterintuitive is we're going to divide both the numerator and the denominator by cosine of A times cosine of B. So for now, I'm just going to put sine A cosine B over cosine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B over cosine A cosine B, all of that divided by cosine A cosine B over cosine A cosine B minus sine A sine B over cosine A cosine B. But the nice thing we get here is some things cancel. In the first term in the numerator, I can cancel a factor of cosine of B. Second term in the numerator, I can cancel a factor of cosine of A. And in the first term in the denominator, both cosine of A, the A and cosine of B cancel out of the numerator and the denominator. So by doing that, I'm left with sine of A over cosine of A plus sine of B over cosine of B divided by, now remember when I cancel everything from both the numerator and the denominator, I'm still left with a 1. Minus, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to separate these into two distinct fractions. Sine A over cosine A times sine B over cosine B. And now we're going to use the quotient identity that we started this whole thing with that says sine over cosine is equal to tangent. So we get tangent of A plus tangent of B over 1 minus tangent of A tangent of B. And then just reminding you of what all this was equaling. That is the tangent of A plus B. So now, one more thing. I use that to look at the tangent of A minus B. I'm going to use a similar technique to what we did going back and forth between sum and difference with the sine and cosine. I'm going to say that's the same thing as the tangent of A plus negative B. So I can plug those angles into the formula that we just derived. So get tangent of A plus tangent of negative B over 1 minus tangent of A tangent of negative B. And then we can use our negative angle identities. Let's say the tangent of a negative angle is negative the tangent of that positive angle. So we get tangent of A minus tangent of B over 1. So I need the negative tangent of B, but I'm multiplying that by the negative tangent of A, so that's going to become positive tangent of A tangent of B. And again, that equals tangent of A minus B. So that does it for this video. In the next video, we're going to take a look at some double angle identities.